adventure. Yesterday was day 4. We started the day from Fargo, North Dakota, and today we are in Regina, Canada. Look at this beautiful place. This is Regina, Canada, and we rode a total of around 592 miles yesterday. We also have changed into a mountain time zone now, so we are 2 hours behind carry time. So before we start with the map details of what we did, we want to wish Baram an amazing 15th wedding anniversary.
Thank you.
So I know we are not, Cav is not near us, but this is a small little, it's a cheap substitute for, but we all wish him a best anniversary. So there we go. Right?
Thank you.
So, coming on to the map, we come over here. I'll show you. So we started from Fargo, North Dakota last night, yesterday morning, and we went all the way up to Jamestown. And in Jamestown, we ended up seeing the largest moose buffalo, the sculpture, and then from there on, we went further on into the geographical center of North America. We had a beautiful lunch there, and carried on for the border crossing. Beautiful roads in the middle into North Dakota. It was just basically cornfields, right? Cornfields, a lot of stuff, and we got a chance to ride amazing roads. Came into the border crossing.
We crossed riding at 115 miles an hour.
Oh yes, we got a chance to test our bike speeds. So we got in and got into the border crossing, and then from there we went to see a little big paperclip, right? And in gravel roads, we tried all that.
An Eiffel Tower.
And an Eiffel Tower. And last night we reached Regina, total of 592 miles.
How many miles of gravel road that we did yesterday?
Oh.
Almost approximately 50?
Over 50.
Or 50 miles or
70
so.
miles, yeah.
And look up. So we also had, because our bikes were so dirty with all the bugs hitting it, so we had bee encounters because bees were loving coming there. I got stung by a bee, Praveen got stung by a bee, and it was an adventure. So stay tuned. We're continuing on today from Regina to Calgary. अरे प्रवीण यार, let's go यार, come on man. ये काम से क्या कि इसको काम होता है यार. Come on, let's go man. क्यों फायर करने लोगों को?
बंद करो लैपटॉप, बंद करो. फेंक दो.
I've ever encountered. The wind is unrelenting. From one end of the lane to the other end, we have to keep fighting with the wind continuously. Keep our place in lane. It is very rough wind. We have a lot more miles to go. We're just driving slow. We're not taking a lot of time. क्या हुआ? Mission accomplished today?
Ah,
Mission accomplished.
mission accomplished.
High winds.
Masai.
High winds. Barish.
Facing so much of wind, rain, and thunderstorms.
Lightning.
Lightnings, hurricanes, whatnot.
Ah.
Everything. Oh my god. Experience of it. Good.